Alright guys, you're looking at the most organized truck on YouTube. This is the side view of my truck. This is a few gadgets I got on my truck. I got my pliers set up, my drills, spade bits, screwdrivers. Got my rubber gloves, screwdrivers, and my screws and tape measures. Tape measure, I got a hook on it to release it. This is the side view of my slider door. As you see in my previous video, how it's organized. This is my hammer setup. Right here, I have my drill. This right here is a custom cork gun holder, which is simple to make, but it does not move in transit. Now this is for my lighting. Let me show you how that works. Just grab the battery. Put it inside. And now we got lights on one side. So that's how the lighting looks when the batteries are on. I can turn it off, on. This is where my sanders are. Hole saw kit. Oscillator. Planer. And flashlight and a mini drill. Now to get more lighting, I have under cabinet lighting under here. Just press the button. Now we have lighting all throughout. Right here I have my mini 7 1/4 Milwaukee. My big boy right here, 10-inch Milwaukee. This is where I keep my sandpaper. Pipe fittings, pipe cutters, pipe fittings, plumbing fittings. Grinder. So all my batteries set up, and my charging station, which I just plug it on the outside and it charges everything you see right here. Now this is my ladder setup. As you can see, it doesn't go anywhere. See how it doesn't rock? But what I did was I made a custom block that holds it so it doesn't move. Once it's down there, that's it. Got my wire staples, mini jigsaw, wire plates, outlets, outlet screws, cabinet of hardware, spackle knives, spackling work, plumbing traps, plumbing pipes, valves. This right here is where I have my caulking. To slide it in. Does not move when the truck is rolling. Got my table saw, my mini vacuum, got the flex vacuum, and this up above here is where I keep my saws. Got the track saw, Bosch saw, Craftsman, just regular demo saw, and dewalt saw. So right now, this is basically how I have it, but everything is organized to my liking, not to anybody else's liking. Also right here, this is where I keep my screws, 10 snips, screwdrivers, pliers, grip pliers. Hey, I got one missing. Miscellaneous. I got some paint touch-up, tape measures, mini wrench, nothing much. 2 mounts, shims. Now this right here is how I have my levels. To get to them, all you do is loosen this up, take it right out, put it back, and just tighten it up. So that's a brief look at the interior of my van. Like and subscribe. Thank you.